Have you been in a situation where you want to have access and connect to a Wi-Fi network, but somehow you don't have the password, and probably the network administrator is not available to connect your device to the wireless network? It could also be that only your mobile phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network, and you want to connect your computer to the Wi-Fi network, but you don't have the password. Here in this video, I will be showing you 3 different ways or methods to reveal and uncover a Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computer that is already connected to the wireless network you seek to have access to. With this knowledge, you can have access to any Wi-Fi network, provided that there are already connected Windows 10 computers in that location. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech and media tips and tutorials. Welcome to Solve It with Speedtech, where we specialized in providing solutions to information communication technology and media-related issues. Today, I will be showing you 3 different methods of revealing a Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computer. To achieve any of these methods, the computer must be connected to the wireless router. The first method of revealing a Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computers is this. Open the control panel of your Windows 10 computer. On the control panel environment, click Network and Sharing Center. What you are seeing here is the Wi-Fi network that I am connected to. Click on the Wi-Fi connection as shown. On the Wireless Status dialog box, click Wireless Properties. On the Wireless Network Properties, click on the Security tab. The password will be displayed here on the Network Security key field. Click on Show Characters to reveal the password of the connected Wi-Fi. The password is now revealed. The second method of achieving this same result is by right-clicking on the wireless network at the right downside of your screen. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on Change Adapter option. Select and click on the already connected Wi-Fi network. On the Wireless Status dialog box, click Wireless Properties. On the Wireless Network Properties, click on the Security tab. Click Show Character to reveal the password. The password is now revealed. The third method to reveal a Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 computer is actually the shortest method to achieve this same result. On your Windows 10 computer, press the Windows button and the R key together on the keyboard. That is Windows R. On the Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter on the keyboard or click OK. It will take you straight to Network Connection Environment. Among all the displayed network connections, double-click the already connected Wi-Fi network. Click Wireless Properties. On the Wireless Network Properties, click on the Security tab. Click Show Characters to reveal the Wi-Fi password. I believe you find this video helpful. That is the 3 methods of revealing a Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computer. Write on the comments section if you have any questions on something you want us to assist you with. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends. If you want more videos like this, click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching.